guitar fell over, Paul. The guitar fell over.
Think about the Boy Scouts who aren't allowed to masturbate.
Okay.
It's very tempting when you're wearing shorts. If they only wore long trousers, maybe they'd stand a chance, you know.
What?
Looking for his friends,
Leaving the band now.
When?
Did I stutter?
If you do it that way, it's like hanging yourself by your arse.
Well, that's all for this evening.
It's like you and me are lovers.
After 40 years in the desert, he couldn't find his balls.
We should get a hammer and an anvil.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Oh yeah!
This is gonna knock you out.
But don't you know it's gonna last? It's a love that lasts forever. It's a love that has no past.
Don't let me down.
Don't let me down, baby.
Potentially really hilarious story of a reason you got admitted into a hospital emergency room.
Don't let me down.
Worth it.
I can make your hands clap. Said I can make your hands clap.
Parkour!
We probably do need really sort of a central daddy figure.
Excuse me, what the actual
Parkour! Parkour!
This is parkour.
No, John. Please don't put the markers on it. Bring us down.
Berries and cream, berries and cream. I'm a little lad who loves berries and cream. Easy peasy.
What Papaluma? The limb bamboo.
You know, you're really cute, but I don't know what you're saying.
This is Pikachu on crack. What happened? Gotta catch 'em all. It looks like he caught a disease. Seriously, it looks like this Pikachu's been hotboxing in the Pokeball for a little too long, if you know what I mean. Hey, at least his teeth aren't as bad as Pennywise's. I mean, dang. We all remember old rainbow teeth.
Happy ever after.
Sign me up. I say so, that's what I'm talking about right there, right there, right there.
Yeah, rock it to me, baby. That's what I like.
What kind of tree is that? And I said, it's a yew. And you said, no, it's not, it's a me. I got Beatles humor.
God damn you, little microphone.
That one.
It's like a World War.
Either a surprise audience like we might get tomorrow, or a
We've got to get. I just thought I'd let you know.
Thank you.
He's gonna sit here silent, looking at you. So, no, I'll tell you about it.
Right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
But it's going to be such an incredible sort of comical thing, like in 50 years' time, you know. They broke up because Yoko sat on an M. Oh, just something I did. What? You see, John kept bringing this girl along. What?
Ticky, ticky,
Stop it! Stop it!
If he doesn't come back by Tuesday, we get clapped and
Baby, if you think you're going to wake up and not be able to see it.
Has anyone ever left as seriously as George before?
Emilio.
Anything you say, dear?
You know, I mean, well, I don't want to go.
On the roof. I would like to go on the roof.
You would like to?
yes, I'd like to go on the
Very diverse people.
Wearing raincoats, standing so low in the sun. You and me chasing cake, getting nowhere on our way back home. On our way home, on our way home. We're going home.
So moody. Trouble.
When I find myself in times, come on, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
Look, boys, now come on, enthuse a little.
I can't. I don't even get up to my bit. You keep finishing. Shut up! I'll have you banned from bloody Apple if you don't shut up.
Let it be, yeah. Oh,
Let it be.
let it be.
We've got some baby kittens that are only about that big.
You're going to eat them.
No!
Lots of people do, you know. I
How baby kittens? They've just been born yesterday.
On toast?
so if
You put pastry around them and you have cat pie.
Who knows, Yoko?
It's a bit early for that, anyway. We're all sleeping at Georgie tonight, getting the moon. We're all ready for tomorrow.
And all this risky godly blue jay go.
Man, you better watch your head, little girl, or you won't know.
And the two slow ones we were doing, Mother Mary and Brother Jesus.
Have we recorded that? Have we recorded that?
I've got me, I've got a falsetto. After all that, I came in too soon.
I've got a feeling.
What are you going to do? This is slightly out of tune, Paul.
I'm giving it.
Oh, fucking right. Something happened. What it was.
You're always in it.
Yeah, I'm just getting on.
Edit. You're talking to the bubbles.
Going home. Good guy. A-B-C-D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L.
Creature gargle!
Q-S-R-T.
Creature gargle! Creature gargle! Creature gargle!